Diane and Denmark here, rah, rah, rah. And today is the start of our New Year reset for 2026. It is the first day of a better life. And I'm here to give you your first prompt. I'm so excited to get started. And this is going to be a small, doable task. You can do it right now, and it's going to give you your first little win. And that's what I want for you. Okay, are you ready for it? So your prompt for today is to clear one visible surface, something that you see very often. Now you can choose the coffee table, you can choose the kitchen table, I'm here at the kitchen table, maybe beside your bed. I just want you to clear it off. If there's any rubbish or recycling there, get that out of there. If you've got a few items that need to be moved off the space, do that. But that's all you're going to do. One space. We're not doing the whole house. We're just doing one space. And here's the important part. Don't overthink it. Don't think, oh, I need a whole afternoon to do this, or I'll do it tomorrow. I want you to do it right now. And once you've done it, you can comment and say, yay, go me, I did it, or tell me where you have been working. But I don't want to put any pressure on you. The main thing I want you to do is go and do the task and give yourself a little pat on the back. And you know what, once you've cleared off that surface, it's really good just to take a couple of seconds to look at it and say, look, I did it. I showed up and I did it. That small thing, our first step. And what's next for today? That's it. That's all I want you to do, okay? And as I said in the intro bit before I started this series, we're not doing checklists. We're not printing stuff out. You don't need any equipment. You're working together with me. I'm giving you tiny tasks, small prompts every day, and we're just giving ourselves a reset for 2026. A better life, okay? So anyway, I'm going to give you a wee shake of my pom-poms. You're going to clear off that one surface and see me back here tomorrow at the kitchen table with a rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.